Best regard. Ideal place to go on vacation. Enjoy white nature. Natural places. For me, the ideal place and to be able to rest, learn, and know are the natural places, because and think I can observe the true perfection of life. I can appreciate a world's symbology all around me. Reasons to know more natural places. Contemplate natural perfection. When approaching natural places like parks, islands, the sea without a doubt, I can show the our existence is perfect, and that it should be created by a perfect being like God, because only He can be the only one responsible for all the wonders that surround us, and that I am part of it. The natural sites offer the possibility of different activities. Contemplation. The earth, wild and butterfly cities, ecological trails, diving, mountaineering, ice and rock climbing, camping, diving and snorkeling, sun and beach, photography, educational and research activities. These are some reasons why for me the ideal place to visit are in the natural diversity. Thank you.